I recently got this lint bin off of Amazon and I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. I've been seeing them and I finally got my hands on one of these. This one's actually made out of plastic. I like that it says lint bin. It is identifiable. This is by Sealegend. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what comes inside of it. Also, first and foremost, the back part does have a magnet, so you're able to, if you like, stick it on the side of your dryer. So I do like that it's actually pretty big, so it's gonna be holding on very well. It also has these hooks right here, so you could either, if you have maybe one of those little hooks, you could go ahead and just hang it on there, or you could drill it to the wall. So that's really cool. So you have 3 different options to use this bin. And then on the inside, I'm going to go ahead and show you what comes included with your bin. So you do get this. This is going to help you clean out your dryers to make sure that like nothing is stuck in the little dryer bin. I know it has that little holder, but sometimes a lot of the things get stuck. So this is really cool because it does include this to help bring out any additional little lint that got left behind. So it's cool. It's a wooden handle. And then also this, if you like, you could also hang it or place it back in your bin like that. Also, this is really cool because it also includes it. So you actually don't need to have these. It includes the screws if you want to screw it onto your wall, or the hooks if you want to hook it onto your wall. So I love that that was included. So basically they're including everything for you, from the screws to the little hooks, or if you want to just go ahead and use the magnet. But take a look, these are the 2 hooks that it includes. So you can just go ahead and select the spot on your wall. It has a little sticky thing that you're going to go ahead and peel, stick to the wall. Just make sure it's where you want it, because you might have a hard time taking it out once it's stuck there. So I do like that. Like, you get the 2 little hooks if you want to go ahead and hook this onto your wall, or you could also screw it, which they did include both of the screws in there and these. So really, really nice. I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for something like this, keep you organized. And then in here in the basket, you could either throw the old lint or maybe dryer sheets or any pods or anything like that, just kind of helping you keep your laundry room more organized. So if you're looking for a good lint bin, definitely good quality, then I would highly recommend this lint bin right here.